I'll show you how to fix your Hisense smart TV having problems with your YouTube app. So if the YouTube app doesn't even load or everything lags and it's hard to control, I'll show you 5 tricks that you can try in just a few seconds to solve this problem. So let's start with the first one. Turn your TV off and unplug it from the wall socket. Now, depending on the model you have, you may have a power button on the back or one on the front under the TV. If you don't find one, don't worry, just skip this step. But if you found one, keep it pressed during 30 seconds. Then you have to wait a full minute. If your TV didn't have a button, just wait 1 minute. And then you can safely replug your TV into the wall socket. This is a soft reset, so nothing will be deleted for your TV and the YouTube app will hopefully work. If this didn't work, you can also delete the YouTube app completely from your smart TV and then reinstall it, and obviously you'll have to log again with your account to access it. Now if it's still not working, I have 3 other solutions. First, to factory reset your TV. There are many tutorials online, I even have some on my channel. You can check and see if your TV has the last firmware. If your TV doesn't connect to internet at all, unplug your router for at least 30 seconds and plug it back. Hopefully one of these tricks will work. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have other solutions, leave them down below so others can read them.